Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to talk about a savage 80% sale happening over at a Planet Sports pop-up in Shangri-la Mall here in the Philippines. We have a ton of React sneakers, Air Maxes, Vapormaxes, Boost equipped shoes, as well as New Balance kicks. So if that's something you find interesting, stick around, watch the rest of the vlog. Let's go. Now before we get started with today's video, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is one of the best men's accessory brands that you guys can buy today. They come out with amazing bracelets such as this one. This is their beaded bracelet, some sort of like ash gray stone. And they also come up with great rings, bracelets, necklaces, watches, and a bunch of other amazing accessories. So please do check them out. Rose, Gold, and Black. Now, if you guys are thinking of buying one, I have great news for you. I was able to hook you guys up with a discount, 25% in fact. And all you have to do, go down below in the description box, click the link, go to the site, the discount is already applied, and shop to your heart's content. Guys, support the brands that support my channel because they allow me to do content like this regularly for you. So I want to kick things off with a bang, and this sneaker really caught my attention. This is the Adidas Eqt 9118 in a military green colorway with an orange pop and accent at the tongue and a nice white Boost midsole. The Adidas 9118 is one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can wear daily. It's built to provide amazing cushioning because of the thicker Boost, but it is more stable with the additional TPU plugs that you can find along the sides. This one is selling for just 5,400 pesos, and it usually sells for over 8 or 9,000 if I remember correctly. So this one, pretty good deal. And of course, you cannot do an outlet or a pop-up sale of sneakers without throwing in some Pure Boosts. We have the Pure Boost in black and white. This one is selling for 3,900. Usually sells for a little over 6,500, so that's roughly 40% off. We have one in blue and in neon green, so that's another colorway of the same sneaker. And we also have the Pure Boost Go, which is built for urban running. This one is selling for 3,600, down from the usual price of 6,000, so roughly around 40% off for that one as well. There aren't any Ultra Boosts in this sale, so too bad, but maybe in the future we get to see some Ultra Boosts in sales like this one. Speaking of Boost equipped sneakers, let's go a little bit more lifestyle. We have the blue POD 3.1. So this is, well, a blue POD 3.1 with a green accent for the mid shank that you find in the middle of the shoe. This one is selling for 4,300, roughly around, maybe around 40-50% off. We also have like a white version of the POD with an orange accent as well if you want something cleaner versus the blue one. We also found like a bunch of NMDs. This one is a white NMD selling for 4,500. It has rose purple TPU plugs. So it actually has that really nice accent to break the monotony of the white color. We also have an Iniki Runner or an I5923, forgot if that's the right way to call it, in a variety of colorways. The one that caught my attention was an olive green model with white stripes along the lateral and the medial side, selling for just 3,600 pesos. We also have the Boost You Wear silhouette, this one in black with a yellow accent at the tongue tab, and it sells for 5,400. I think this is a mislabel. It should be 4,500 because the Boost You Wear white with an icy Boost midsole is actually 4,500, which is 50% off the original SRP of the sneaker. There were also non-Boost equipped shoes that were worth looking into. We did find a bunch of Profiers. If that's your thing, it's like a chunky streetwear sneaker. There was a triple white Profier selling for just 3,600, and there was a white and violet Profier which was selling for the same price. Please do take note that these are just some of the Adidas sneakers on sale. There are still a lot selling for amazing prices, but the 80% off were really old models. So these are the more recent ones, and they're usually anywhere from 30 to 50 to 60% off. Let's move on over to Nike. And in Nike, there are basically two sneakers that are really screaming out loud in this sale. You have the React equipped shoes and you have the Air equipped shoes. Let's start with the React sneakers. Over at the React side, we have a ton of React Element 55s. The 55 is the lifestyle version of the Epic React Flyknit, because the Epic React Flyknit is more performance and running. The Element React is more the lifestyle line. And we have it selling for just 4,000 pesos, down from the usual SRP, I think of around 6,700. Can't remember the exact price. We have one in blue. We have one in red. We have one in white and gray. We have one in a shiny purple colorway. We have one in a shiny orange purple way. And there were also for women, one was white beige with red hits as well as nice cream colors. And there was also one with gray with a pink swoosh and orange and blue detail. So if you are looking for Element React 55s, guys, this is the place to be because you can get them for just 4,000 pesos. Not a bad deal. Super comfortable sneaker, amazing cushioning technology. Looks pretty good as well. So that's for the React. Now let's go on over to the Air equipped shoes. And we really have to kick things off, of course, with the Vapormaxes. And for the Vapormaxes, we did find the Vapormax 95 with the blue gradient gray color. So it starts off as blue, starts to become a little bit grayish and darkish, then it settles down into a dark blue for the air bubbles. And this one is selling for 6,300 pesos. Not the cheapest one, but it is still a considerable discount. Now we also found a ton of Vapormax pluses. So this is like a chunkier version of the Vapormax. It has some sort of like plating, plastic plating along the lateral and the middle side of the shoe. And these sneakers sell for 5,600. And one of my favorite ones is a clean triple white version of the Vapormax Plus. It looks amazing, immaculate, clean. So that one probably going to sell out very fast. We also saw like a black version with teal accents as well as a black version with orange accents. Again, 5,600 pesos for those Vapormaxes. We also saw a bunch of Air Maxes. We saw an Air Max 97, two colors actually. This one in Volt and in gray. The other one is olive and orange. They were both selling for around 4,800 pesos for both sneakers. We also saw a lone Air Max 270. This one was dominantly white, but it does do some sort of like blue-green gradient for the air bubble at the back. And this one they were selling for just 4,800 pesos. Now the cheaper version of the Air Max 270 is actually the Air Max 270 Futura, and they did have two colorways. One was an all gray version, and there was one with a black version with some sort of like pink or orange pop at the back. Sells for 4,300 pesos. We also saw an Air Max 98. This one actually looked really nice, and I was actually thinking of copying it just because it had some sort of like panda vibe, because it was in black and white, and it was just selling for 4,800 pesos. So that one was pretty nice, caught my attention, almost brought it home. Now for Jordan brand, most of the sneakers that I saw were actually for women. The only Jordan for men that caught my attention was a Jordan 2 deconstructed in a beige colorway, which was selling for just 3,200 pesos. Lastly, to close off the Nike list, we did see a foam posset, dominantly dark blue for the upper with a gum midsole, selling for 6,700 pesos. Now moving over to New Balance, there were a lot of New Balance sneakers and I wasn't able to go through every single shoe, but there were three that caught my attention. There was a New Balance 247 in a nice classy, elegant brown leather color, selling for 2,800 pesos. There was an 808 chunky sneaker mix of blue, red, and white, selling for less than 2,000 pesos, going for just 1,998. And there was the X90 deconstructed, going for just 3,148 pesos. This is in the black, white, and gray color. So those were the sneakers that caught my attention. I'm sure you guys will find good picks as well if you managed to get your way over to the Planet Sports pop-up sale over at Shangri-La. Please do take note, it is in the East Wing. It is in the new building, 4th floor. Now, I did actually cop a sneaker and I wanted to share with you guys what was my pickup. I've had my eye on this actually when I first saw it on Soul Academy. So this, guys, is the Vapormax Plus. But it isn't any of the colors that I mentioned earlier. Because the salespeople told me that they had this one at the back and it wasn't actually on display, this particular color. So I was excited when they brought it out and I ended up copying it. Number one, again, because the colorway is something that I was looking for. And number two, I was just thrilled to see it on sale. So this is in the black and Volt color. So take a look at that, guys. Nice pop. The contrast of the Volt color of the air bubble with the black upper just looks friggin' amazing. You have multiple textures because of the neoprene upper mixed with the plastic plating along the side, which kind of looks like armor plates. And that's the reason why I love the Vapormax Plus so much. But I also have a problem with the normal Vapormaxes because they aren't friendly for people with wide feet. My feet look like muffin tops on them. This one is a little bit more chunky and more forgiving for people on the heavier side. And at the same time, it just looks nice with that VM Air check logo there at the back. Now, I was actually able to put this on feet earlier today, and man, it is really one of the more comfortable Vapormaxes that you guys can wear. So if you don't want like a sleek, you know, narrow Vapormax to rock, that's more for people with normal size or narrow feet, and you have like wider, chunkier feet, this one is really the Vapormax to go after. However, it's still really not the most stable sneaker out there today. I mean, there are a lot of sneakers to pick from, but hey, from all of the sneakers that I saw over there at the sale, this one was the one that caught my attention the most, and this one was the sneaker that I ended up copying and bringing home with me. So how about you guys? Please do let me know which sneaker in this entire list you saw that you liked the most. Now, I actually have a challenge for all of you today. I actually bought a size 10, I think, or a size 8.5 or 9, I can't remember what size, all white, the triple white Vapormax that I showed you earlier, the super clean one, and I want to give it away, but I don't want to give it away so easily, that no effort. So here's the challenge: get this video to at least 5,000 likes. So if we can get to 5,000 likes, that's the thumbs up button that you see down below. Get it to 5,000 likes, guys. I will give it away in another giveaway. That adds to another giveaway of all the giveaways that I'm doing. We're doing so many giveaways on this channel. But yeah, get the video 5,000 likes and I will give away that amazing, immaculate, clean as white as snow sneaker, the triple white Vapormax Plus, to one of you guys. Do make sure that you subscribe to the channel because we do constant giveaways here. In fact, the latest one is a YEEZY 700 Inertia in partnership with Lifestyles and Sneakers. We're also giving away a REALME 5, a Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro, and a bunch of other cool stuff. Just check out the links in the description box. But the very minimum that you need to do is to subscribe, follow me on IG, and then join our Facebook community. Oh, and by the way, just give the video a thumbs up as well. Really helps. And with that said, I hope you all enjoyed our vlog for today. I definitely enjoyed sharing all of the great finds with you. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Bam!